I'm not yet. Oh, there. Hey guys, it's JJK Gamer here, or BGK Gamer, and we have Felicity. Hello.
Hi.
I caught your cold. Yes. And the house is done. Yee. Well, I did most of them in. You're drowning. You're drowning. She's drowning right now. Over there somewhere. But wait, I wonder what that island is. She's finally here. You can talk, you know.
Twerking.
Twerking. Okay, that we are going weird. Okay, let's go get our pets. Ouch. That hurts. Blech. I'm getting Mia. Mia is the last ninth skin to be picked. No, don't. Yours is Mia, remember? Get away from
I know.
Oh, you were trying to get her. Okay. Got him.
I don't have a lead.
Bro, they could just follow you. I don't even have a lead. Let's go. Hopefully they won't fall. Or else they'll follow you, okay? Let me go up the elevator. Hopefully they won't drown. I didn't test this yet. Hopefully they won't drown. Or they'll just teleport. Whee! And guys, I added an elevator and a pathway. All of this is in creative mode. Sorry if I ruined you guys' day, but it's my job. I thought the cat was just cobblestone. Mia, come to me. Okay, so we're going to get the fish to feed her every day. It likes its bed. Maybe it's looking at me because I have fish. I'm trying to get Mia to go here. I finally got Mia to the house. I just used the lead. Excuse me, BG Katie. Well, actually. Sorry! Oh, for my luck, you were inside the shulker box. Okay, I'm going to put the leash over here. Mine is very organized. While you look at hers, it's not very organized. Hey, it's time to change our pet's color. Oopsie. Time to change our pet's color. I'm gonna change mine to light blue. I'm gonna change your pets into dark blue.
Okay.
So yeah. Why is your light blue, Mrs. Anyways, I wonder what that island is. I see someone sitting on it.
Steam!
Okay, you know what? Let's just go in and let's just go explore that island. I wonder what that island can hold for us.
One.
No, not there. We're not going to the island. Continue. Let's go. I don't want to go swim there yet. So this is where we're gonna save Cat. And guys, we changed the name to Cat Patrol. Wait, there's lights under our house. Come. Lights. Guys, there's lanterns. Someone must be living here.
Oh my god!
Who is he? Don't pick that egg. It might be poisoned. I'm kidding. Hi there, who are you? Hi, it's me, Steve. I'm hiding from my evil twin. What? He's in the other island. Can you make him go away? The prize will be in the chest. What will be the prize? Farming supplies! We wanted to do this. We talked about this earlier.
Okay.
But so that means we have to go. And by the way, I love your swimsuit.
Thank you.
I'm so happy. No, I'm so scared. I'm swimming. Come on. Oh. Hopefully something not bad. You know you can swim.
Jump.
By the way, our house looks so beautiful up there. I'm stuck. Oh my goodness. That took a while. Oh, you little poor creatures. Who are you? And why did you cage them up here? Akukay Gaming, BGKD. This is Steve's evil twin. The disgusting creatures will be destroyed. How dare you! Mister, don't kill him yet. We have to save them. Come, we have to save the poor kitties. We forgot fish! I gave myself fish. Oh, sorry. Just in case. But we have to find this. We have to find it. Wait, let's find it. Let's find a lever. Come on, we have to find this. Our objective here is to find the lever.
Here is it.
No, that's the wrong lever. Because when he flicked that button, it will kill the cats. Don't touch that. I guess we have to go underwater swimming. Found it after 1 hour of swimming. Whew. You see, you're not giving up there. Nope, we're not gonna be there, Steve. It's getting so nice. I have to distract the fish. Distract the cat. Distract the cats with fish. Well, I'll do this. No, guys. No. We finally chained them. And you, sir, let's kill him. You, sir, let's kill him. Let's kill him with our own bare fist. Ow, stop hitting me. I'm the one you're killing. Damn, he's dead. Yash. Flesh. The flesh of our evil enemy. Where's Catty? Catty, where are you?
No, kasi
Technical difficulties.
Oh, so small.
Here it is. She accidentally breathed them. Bro, why?
Here she is.
This one's a boy, I can tell. This one's a girl. Oh my goodness.
She's big na.
Yay! I have 3 cats. Well, this is our cat. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one. Cassie's stuck. Cassie's stuck here. Only the remains of the king.
Oh my god. No, come here.
Cassie loves the water. Mine loves death. So what should I name this one? Catalin? Catalin?
If
Catalin?
me and Mia is Cassie and Kitty.
Catty?
Kitty.
Wait, where's my other kitty? Where's my other kitty? Oh my goodness, I have 2 cats. I need to name them. I never knew that this would happen. But yeah. Okay, so sir, we're finally here.
Yeah.
So the next episode we're gonna go mining. Hey! You took the stuff! How rude! But Catty, do you want to kiss your wife? Because we're going to go to the animal area. We need to find an idea where we should put like the animals after we save them. Next episode, I wonder what the saving will be about. And yeah, only you guys will pick. Because me and Felicity don't know. We always fight each other because we don't know what to pick. Hey guys, time to get in.
I'm gonna put the stuffs in our house.
Yeah. Bro, the cats are there. You're bringing the cats. Anyways. Wait.
No,
Wait, where's your father? Cassie.
Okay, Cassie.
What the freak? Anyways, this will be it for this video, guys. Yeah. We got seeds, carrots, and potatoes. Say bye, Felicity. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh, sorry. You're going crazy over that. She's using her phone right now, but thank you guys so much for watching this episode of CatCraft. But what should should we rename it to Cat Patrol or what? So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next CatCraft video or any video of mine. Bye, guys, and subscribe to our channel. What's your channel?
I don't have a channel.
Oh, she doesn't have a channel yet, but she'll be having that soon. Bye, guys.